Hi guys, my name is Demoria. Welcome to the channel. It's 6:04. I just got off work an hour ago. We're about to head over to my storage to load my car up because tomorrow I'm going to the flea market to sell some stuff and I'm going to take you guys with me. I typically don't do voiceovers whenever I film for YouTube. I normally try to just tell you what's happening around me, what my thoughts are, and what I'm doing as I go. But I've been here on YouTube for, I think, 3 years, and I haven't been performing that well. So I'm just trying to do something a little bit different. Hopefully I'll get a little more engagement. If they work, we'll keep doing them. If not, we'll go back to the drawing board. You'll also notice that there's less music in this video. Like I said, I'm trying to do something different, so I hope you enjoy some ASMR. Tomorrow, I want to go to the flea market. That way I can sell some things that I'm not really making use of right now and make a little extra money because I could use it. There's some things that I want to do. There's some goals that I want to meet, and this could be a good way for me to meet those goals without hurting the piggy bank. I was wondering what happened to these boots. I hadn't worn these. I used to love them, and they were comfortable. Can I still wear these? There you go. You see the Sprite? You gotta put your cup down there. Okay, now you hit the Sprite button. Right, yeah, right there. Go up. There you go. And then you hit the regular Sprite. You see the Sprite over there on the side? Right here. Okay, now you touch that. Now you gotta hold it. Hold it. And then guys, happy Sunday. I'm back in my car again. While we're here, I'm gonna unbox this right here. I ordered this from Amazon. It is called a, I don't know, suction cup mount. And this is for the DJI Pocket 3 and accessories. I have the DJI Pocket 2. From the reviews, it works on the DJI Pocket 2. And the reason I got this is because it will help me be better at doing the things that I'm trying to do. Like film in my car. As well as, I could have used this yesterday because it would have helped me be so much more successful with doing what my plan was, which was to film me at the flea market. I got a clip, but that's all you saw because that's all I got. I just did not want to worry about my camera. I didn't want it to fall over and I didn't want it to get stolen. If I would have had this, I could have set my camera up in my car. My car was parked right behind the table. I could have had this in the window and I could have been filming from there with my car locked and it would have been safe. But we didn't do that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. And that way, whenever I'm driving Lyft or just riding in my car, then I can chat with you guys and not have to worry about my camera falling over, because in my last video, I was actually driving and I was telling you about my plans were for nursing. And my camera fell over. I was holding on to it, but it swiveled and it just fell flat. And luckily, the screen didn't hit the dashboard. And I was able to keep my camera, because if my camera breaks, then this is done. And we know I don't have a lot of money right now. Part of the reason why we did that flea market, because I have a plan. And I was hoping to share that with you guys in my next video, but because I don't really have anything to offer here, I'm just gonna go ahead and share it with you now after I put this little thingy together and see if it works okay. If not, we're sending it back. I just put this little stick into the suction cup here, and I have this little plate, and then I have this other thing here. I know nothing about how this goes together. It's got a package list, and it doesn't even have the names of the parts. It just has a picture, and it says, notice, before installing the suction cup, clean the surface to be absorbed. But I'm just gonna look at this picture and see how to put it together. The whole point behind me going to the flea market was to declutter and using that as an opportunity to make money. Let's see here. I looked at the picture. I'm gonna take this off. Put this on. Okay, yeah, this will go like that. Oh, wait a minute. I'm so confused right now. Okay, it goes like that. This part goes in the back of here. It's tight. Let me loosen it up. There we go. Okay, boom. This goes in the middle like that. Why is this so difficult? There we go. And then I guess I would put my DJI on this little piece right here. I feel like if I put it here, it's too much stuff in my windshield. But if I put it over here, I won't have it right in my face. Does it lock? Oh, there it goes. See, I got a lot going on in here. I have my, let me raise you up. I have my phone holder. I have my camera. And then this will be my little stand for the DJI. But this is pretty cool. How's that? I might as well put you up here now. And then I'll put like a little clip from my phone so you can see what it looks like. All right. That's what my little setup looks like. Cute. I'm wondering if I even like this. Do I like this? I've always been really creative, but I've never had enough confidence and enough motivation to use my creativity to make money. So what I want to do is I want to take the money that I made this weekend, and I want to go ahead and get started with my first small business. I think this is the perfect place to do it because by sharing it here on YouTube, you guys can keep me accountable. And I know I've looked for creators that have started a business, and I want to see the process, not just be told about what it was like. I want to actually see it for myself through their lens. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come with an idea. I'm going to share it with you, and we're going to make those first small steps to creating a small business. I hope you show up for it, and if you're looking forward to it, subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. And if you enjoyed this video today, hit the like button. I will see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.